How to reduce the price on Vinted. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If you are looking to reduce the price on Vinted, then watch this video till the end. Vinted is an online marketplace where you can easily sell your second-hand apparel and accessories. But there might be a need to reduce the price that you have listed a few days ago. And if you want to do that, first of all, you want to head over to the Vinted website, which is vinted.co.uk. Here, you want to log into your account either using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the item and select Edit Listing. Now, choose Change the Price and change the price of that item. If you are using the Vinted app, then you can reduce the price in the app itself as well. The first step is to open the application and navigate to Profile, then choose View My Profile option. Now, select the item you want to reduce the price of. Tap on the three dots on the right side and select Edit. Now select Current Price. After this, enter the new price that you want to set and confirm by tapping on Done. Now choose Upload, and with this simple step, you can reduce the price on Vinted. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.